In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview designs on your phone with Figma Mirror. This is a handy tool that lets you see your Figma designs directly on your mobile device, making it easier to check how well your designs work in the real world. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Figma. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool, which means it's perfect for working on design projects with your team. If you don't have it open already, head over to Figma's website or open the Figma app on your computer. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials and get access to all your projects. After you're logged in, you should now be on your Figma home screen. This is where you can see all of your recent projects and start new ones. Navigate through your projects and open the one you wish to preview on your phone. Once you're in the right project, click on the Design tab. This is where the bulk of your work happens. Here, you can make changes to the layouts, adjust components, and do pretty much everything involved in crafting your design. Next up, we need to enter the prototype mode. So go ahead and click on the prototype view button. In this view, you can set up interactions, transitions, and animations, making your design come to life. Think of this as preparing your design for a presentation. You want everything to function smoothly and to give off the right experience. Now that you're in the prototype mode, it's time to get a preview of your work. What you'll need to do is click on the preview button. This feature provides you with a representation of how the end user will experience your design. You can see exactly how the elements behave and ensure all interactions are working as intended. To get this preview on your phone, you need the Figma Mirror app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply download the app from your device's app store, install it and log in using your Figma credentials. The app will automatically connect to your Figma account and load up the designs you're working on. And there you have it, you've successfully mirrored your Figma design onto your mobile device. Now you can truly test and iterate on your design, getting a better feel for how users will experience it. Remember, when designing interfaces, it's crucial to ensure they look great and function well across different devices. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.